Hello students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.1. Let us get into the session.
Look at this chapter 3, Algebra. Here we discuss about the factorization of algebraic expression. Listen. The process of writing an algebraic expression as the product of its factors is called factorization. The product of writing an algebraic expression as the product of its factors is called factorization. Next one. The factors of an algebraic expression is 2R expression whose product is the given expression. Factors of an algebraic expression is a 2 or more expressions whose product is the given expression. Next, identities. A plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. How will you write that? A plus b whole squared. The square for this two terms also. So, a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A minus b whole squared. A minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Next one, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Next one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. X squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. These are the identities. You have to memorize that, then only you can solve the problems. Okay. Next one. An algebraic statement that shows two algebraic expressions being unequal is known as an algebraic inequation. Now, let me see the exercise sums. Look at this exercise 3.1. First one, fill in the blanks. P minus Q whole square is equal to P minus Q whole square. This is in the format A minus B whole square. What is the formula? Identities, that is A squared, that is P squared minus 2ab, 2 into P into Q. Here P is A and Q is B. So P squared minus 2ab plus B squared, that is Q squared. So we get P squared minus 2pq plus Q squared. That is the answer. P squared minus 2pq plus Q squared. That is the answer. Next one. Listen, the product of x plus 5 and x minus 5. X plus 5. Product means multiplication. So, x minus 5. X plus 5 into x minus 5. This is in the format a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A squared minus b squared. Right? So, here x is a and b is 5. So, a plus b into a minus b, that is x squared minus 5 squared. That implies x squared minus 5 squared means 5 into 5, that is 25. So, the answer is x squared minus 25. Next one. The factor of x squared minus 4x plus 4. X squared minus 4x plus 4. Listen, first you have to multiply the coefficient of x and 4. You get 4 only. 1 is coefficient of x square. So, 1 into 4, 4. Here minus 4. Listen, here we have to guess two numbers that we multiply means we get this answer, add means we get this answer. What is the two numbers? That is minus 2 and minus 2. This is a minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. And then here both the signs are same. So we have to add this number with the same sign. So minus 4. So x minus 2 and x minus 2 is the factors. X minus 2 into x minus 2. Next one, express 24a b squared c squared as product of its factors is dash. 24a b squared c squared. 24a b squared c squared. First factorize this numbers. 24, 12 2s are 24, again divisible by 2, that is 6 times, again divisible by 2, get 3 times. So what is the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into variables a into b square means b into b and c square means c into c. So that is the answer. Write down here. What's that? 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into a into b into b into c into c. That is the answer. Second one, say true or false. First subdivision, 7x plus 3 into 7x minus 3. Here in this form, that is x plus a into x plus b. X plus a into x plus b format. Here x is 7x and here a, that is b. So what is the formula? X square, that is 7x squared. Next one, plus x into, that is 7x into a plus b, 3 minus 4, here minus, so 4, minus 4, plus ab, 3 into minus 4, 7 square, that is 49x squared plus 7x into minus 1 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 12. So we get 49x squared minus 7x plus into minus 7x into 1 7x plus into minus 12. So they given also that only, that is true. Next one, a minus 1 whole squared. A minus 1 whole squared, that is a minus b whole square, right? A squared minus 2ab plus 1 square. So we get a squared minus 2a plus 1. But they given a squared minus 1. That is false. Next one, x squared plus y squared into y squared plus x squared. Y squared plus x squared is also x squared plus y squared, right? We can write this one x squared plus y squared. So a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b whole square. So x squared plus y squared whole square. that is true. Next, 2p is the factor of 8pq. Yes, 2p is the factor of 8pq. That is the answer. Third sum, express the following as the product of its factors. Listen, they given the algebraic expressions. We have to find out the factors. First, find out the number factor, that is, how will you find out means prime factorization. Listen, 2 times, that is 12, divided by 2, again we get 6, again divided by 2 we get 3. So what is the factors here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So write down here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is for 24. Next, A into B into B, that is B square, into C into C. So that is the answer. Very easy now. Next one, 36. Factorize that. How many times? 18 times. 18 twos are 36. Divided by 2 means we get 9, and here 3. So what is the factor? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now write down the answer here. 36, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And then x cube. How will you write that? X cube means x into x into x. Multiply the x 3 times. That is the meaning. And then y square, that is y into y into z only one time. That is the answer. Next one, 56 mn square p squared. 56 divided by 2, 2 twos are 4, balance 1, it becomes 16, 8 times. Again divided by 2, that is 14 twos are 28, again divided by 2 means 7. Now answer 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. These are the factors. That is for 56. Next, m, one time only, n squared, that is n into n into p squared, p into p. That is the answer. Fourth sum, using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus x into a plus b plus in ab. Find the following product. Listen, that they given the identity, we have to apply this formula and solve this expression. Listen, x plus 3 into x plus 1, sorry, x plus 7. That is the expression. Here x equal to x only, right? Next, a equal to 3, b equal to 7. Now apply in the formula, x plus 3 into x plus 7 is equal to, first x squared plus x into a is 3 and b is 7. So 3 plus 7 plus ab, that is a into b, 3 into 7 here. So x squared plus x into 3 plus 7, 10 plus 3 sevens are 21. Now simplify that, x squared plus x into 10, 10x plus 21, that is x plus 3 into x plus 7. That is the answer. Next one, 6a plus 9 into 6a minus 5. Same formula, but x equal to here 6a and a equal to 9, b equal to minus 5. Now applying the formula, 6a plus 9 into 6a minus 5 is equal to x squared, that is 6a squared. Here x equal to 6a, so 6a squared plus x into, that is 6a into, listen, 9 minus 5, a plus b, here 9 plus into minus 5, so we get minus 5 plus ab, 9 into minus 5, 6a whole squared, the squared for 6 also, so 6 into 6, 36, a squared plus 6a into plus 9 minus 5, we get plus 4, here plus into, here 9 into 5, 45, plus into minus, minus, so minus 45, so 36 a square, 6 4s are 24 into a, here plus into minus, minus 45, so 36 a squared plus 24a minus 45, that is 6a plus 9 into 6a minus 5, that is the answer. Next one, 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 5y. Listen here, x equal to 4x, a equal to 3y and b equal to 5y. Applying the formula, 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 5y equal to x squared, that is 4x whole squared plus x into, that is 4x into a plus b, that is 3y plus 5y plus ab, 3y into 5y. Now simplify that, 4x whole square, so 4 squared means first 16 x squared, then listen here, multiply the 4x with these two terms, first 4x into 3y and then first add this terms, y terms, and then multiply with 4x. So listen, plus 4x plus, here the terms are same, y terms only, so add this terms means we get 8y plus 3 into 5, 15, y into y, y squared. Now 16 x squared plus 4 8s are 32, x into y, xy plus 15 y squared, that is 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 5y, that is the answer. Next one, 8 plus pq into pq plus 7. We can write this one, pq plus 8 into pq plus 7. 8 plus pq is equal to pq plus 8. right? So here x equal to pq and a equal to 8, b equal to 7. Now pq plus 8 into pq plus 7 is equal to first x squared, that is pq whole squared plus x into, that is pq into a plus b, 8 plus 7 plus ab, that is 8 into 7. Now pq whole squared, that is p squared q squared plus pq into 8 plus 7 15 plus 8 sevens are 56. Now simplify this, means we get p squared q squared plus 15 into pq, 15 pq plus 56, that is pq plus 8 into pq plus 7, that is the answer. Fifth sum, expand the following squares using suitable identities. Given the squares, we have to apply the suitable identities. Listen, 2x plus 5 whole square. Which identity is this? A plus b whole squared. A plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This identity is suitable for that. So here a equal to 2x and b equal to plus 5. So apply this in formula. 2x plus 5 whole squared is equal to a squared, that is 2x whole squared plus 2 into ab, 2 into 2x into 5 plus b squared, that is 5 squared. Whole squared means the squared for 2 also. So 2 into 2, that is 4x squared plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20x plus 5 squared, that is 5 into 5, 25. So that is the answer, 2x plus 5 whole squared. Next one, b minus 7 whole squared. Which formula is this? A minus b whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here a equal to b and b equal to 7. Now apply this in formula. B minus 7 whole squared is equal to a squared, that is b squared minus 2 into ab, that is 2 into b into 7 plus b squared, that is 7 squared. Now b squared minus 7 2s are 14 b plus 7 squared, that is 49. 7 7s are 49, that is b minus 7 whole square. That is the answer. Next sum, mn plus 3p whole square. Here a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This formula only. Here a equal to mn, b equal to 3p. Right. Now applying this formula, mn plus 3p whole square is equal to first a square, mn whole square plus 2 into ab, that is mn into 3p plus b squared 3p whole squared. Squared, that is m squared n squared, plus multiply the numbers, 2 3s are 6 and variables m n p, plus 3 squared 9 p squared p squared. So mn plus 3p whole squared, that is the answer. Next one, xyz minus 1, that is a minus b whole squared formula, that is a plus a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here a equal to xyz and b equal to 1. Now applying this formula, xyz minus 1 whole squared is equal to x squared, that is x, a squared, that is xyz whole squared minus 2ab xyz into 1 plus b squared, that is 1 squared. Now squared means we get x squared, y squared, z squared minus 2 into 1 2 xyz plus 1 squared 1, that is xyz minus 1 whole squared, that is the answer. Sixth sum, using the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, find the following product. First one, p plus 2 into p minus 2. Here a equal to p and b equal to 2. Now p plus 2 into p minus 2 is equal to a squared, that is p squared minus b squared, that is 2 squared. So p squared minus 2 squared means 4, that is the answer. Next one, 1 plus 3b, 3b minus 1. We can write this 1 plus 3b is 3b plus 1. So 3b plus 1 into 3b minus 1. It is in the format a plus b into a minus b. Here a equal to 3b and b equal to 1. Now applying this formula, 3b plus 1 into 3b minus 1 is equal to a squared, that is 3b squared minus 1 squared. 3 squared, that is 9b squared minus 1 squared means 1, that is 3b plus 1 into 3b minus 1, answer. Next one, 4 minus mn into mn plus 4. 4 minus mn into, we can write this like that, 4 plus mn. It is also we can write 4 plus mn into 4 minus mn. That is the format of a plus b into a minus b format. So here a equal to 4 and b equal to mn. Now applying this formula, 4 plus mn into 4 minus mn is equal to a squared, that is 4 squared minus mn whole squared. Here 4 squared means 4 into 4, that is 16, minus mn whole square means m squared n squared. That is the answer for 4 plus mn into 4 minus mn. Next one, 6x plus 7y into 6x minus 7y. Listen here, a equal to 6x, b equal to 7y. So 6x plus 7y into 6x minus 7y is equal to a squared minus b squared, right? A squared, that is a 6x whole squared minus 7y whole squared. 6x whole squared means 6 into 6 36 x squared minus 7y whole squared, that is 7 square 49 y squared. That is the answer for 6x plus 7y into 6x minus 7y. That is the answer. Seventh sum, evaluate the following using suitable identity. Listen, first we have to split the numbers nearest round off. Listen, first one 51, we can write like this, 50 plus 1 whole square. Which identity is this? A plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square. What is the formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Here a equal to 50 and b equal to 1. Now applying the formula, 50 plus 1 squared is equal to 50 squared a squared plus 2 into ab plus b squared. Now 50 squared, that is 50 into 50, that is 2500 plus 2 into 50 100 plus 1 squared 1. How much? We add this one means we get 2601, that is 51 squared. That is the answer. Next one, 103 whole squared. We can write this 100 plus 3 whole squared. It is also in the format a plus b whole squared. So here a equal to 100, right? B equal to what? 3. Now apply this in formula, 100 plus 3 whole squared is equal to a squared, that is 100 squared plus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 3 plus b squared, that is 3 squared. Now simplify that, 100 squared, that is 100 into 100, we get 10,000 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 into 100 600 plus 3 squared, that is 9. So add this means we get 10,690, 10,609, that is 103 whole squared form. Answer. Next one, 998. How will you write that? 1000 minus 2. Is it right? 1000 minus 2 whole squared. Which format is this? A minus b whole squared formula. here A equal to what? 1000 and then B equal to 2. Now apply this 1000 minus 2 whole square is equal to A squared, that is 1000 squared minus 2 into A into B plus B squared. Now 1000 squared, that is 10 lakhs. Minus 2 2s are 4 into 1000 4000 plus 2 squared 4. So simplify this means 10 lakhs minus 4000 plus 4, we get 10 lakhs 4004. That is the 998 whole square. Next one, 47 squared. How will you write that? 50 minus 3 whole squared. It is in the form A minus B whole squared. Here A equal to 50, B equal to 3. So 50 minus 3 whole square is equal to A squared, that is 50 squared minus 2 into A into B plus B squared, that is 3 squared. 50 squared, we know that very well, 2500 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, put the 0 means 300 plus 3 squared 9. Now 2500 minus 300 plus 9 means we get 2209. That is how much? 47 squared. That is the answer. Seventh sum, fifth subdivision. 297 into 303. How will you write that? 297, that is 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3. 300 minus 3 means that is 297 into 303, that is 300 plus 3. It is in the format A minus B into A plus B. What is the formula? A minus B into A plus B or A plus B into A minus B. Everything same, no? So that is A squared minus B squared. Here A equal to 300, B equal to 3. So 300 minus 3 into 300 plus 3 is equal to A squared, that is 300 squared minus 3 squared, that is how much? 90,000 minus 9, we get 89,991. Which one is this? 297 into 303. That is the answer. Next one, 990 into 1010. How will you write that? 990, that is 1000 minus 10 into 1010, that is 1000 plus 10. It is in the format a plus b into a minus b, right? So here a equal to 1000, b equal to 10. Now 1000 plus 10 into 1000 minus 10 is equal to a squared minus b squared, that is 1000 squared minus 10 squared. 1000 squared means we get 10 lakhs minus 10 squared means 100. Subtract this one means we get 9,99,900. That is the 990 into 1010. That is the answer. Next sum 51 into 52. That is 50 plus 1 into 50 plus 2. It is in the format x plus a into x plus b. As a formula, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x squared plus x into a plus b into plus ab. Here x equal to 50 and a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Now apply in this formula. 50 plus 1 into 50 plus 2 is equal to x squared, that is 50 squared, plus x into 50 into a plus b, that is 1 plus 2, plus ab, that is 1 into b, 1 into 2. Next one, 50 squared, we know that very well, 2500, plus 50 into 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1 into 2, 2. So 2500 plus 5 3s are 15, put the 0 means we get 150 plus 2. Finally we get 2652. That is which one? 51 into 52. That is the question. No? That is the answer. Eighth sum, simplify. A plus b whole squared minus 4ab. Listen. First one, apply the formula a plus b whole squared. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared minus 4ab. Here minus 4ab is there. Right. Now assemble the ab terms. Here a square plus 2ab. Here also ab term is there, no. So that is minus 4ab plus b squared. Put this two terms here and then a squared plus 2ab minus 4ab. Different sign, so we have to subtract this one. We get 2ab difference. Which one is greater? That is 4. So minus plus b square is there. What is this formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. That is a minus b whole square. That is the answer. Ninth sum, show that m minus n whole squared plus m plus n whole squared equal to 2 into m squared plus n squared. Listen first, LHS. LHS means left hand side, write on that m minus n whole squared plus m plus n whole squared How will you expand that? A minus b whole squared, that is m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. A minus b whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and here m plus n, that is a plus b whole squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now expand with a plus b whole square, that is m squared plus 2mn plus n squared. Now remove the bracket. M squared minus 2mn plus n squared plus m squared plus 2mn plus n squared. Here minus 2mn plus 2mn cancelled, it cancelled. So write down the remaining numbers. Plus n square. Here 2m square and 2n squared is there. Taken out the 2 as the common. Inside the bracket m squared plus n squared is there. That is the RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence true. That is the answer. 10th sum. If a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 18, find the value of a square plus b square. Listen, given the value, which one? A plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 18. Now listen, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We know that very well. In this we apply this values. A plus b equal to 10. So 10 squared equal to a squared plus 2 into ab is what? 18 plus b squared. Now 10 squared, that is 100, equal to a squared plus 2 into 18 36 plus b squared. 100, bring this 36 to this side, that is 36 minus 36. Here a squared plus b squared is balanced. Change the LHS and RHS. A squared plus b squared equal to 100 minus 36. So a squared plus b squared is equal to 100 minus 36, 64. That is the answer. 11th sum. Factorize the following algebraic expressions by using the identities. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Listen here, first subdivision, z square minus 16. How will you write that? Z squared minus 16, that is 4 squared. Here a equal to z, b equal to 4. Now z square minus 16. How will you write that? Write that z plus 4 into z minus 4. That is the answer. Next one, 9 minus 4y whole square. 9 minus 4y squared. Listen, 9, 3 squared minus 4y squared. How will you write the 4 as squared value? That is 2 squared. 2y squared. Now listen, 3 square, that is 9, minus 2y square, that is 4y square. It's equal, no? Here, now a equal to 3, b equal to 2y. How will you factorize that? 9 minus 4y square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, that is 3 plus 2y into 3 minus 2y. That is the answer. Next one, listen, 25a squared. How will you write that? 5a whole squared minus 49, that is 7 squared, no? Then b squared, so 7b whole squared. Now a equal to 5a, b equal to 7b. So 25a squared minus 49b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 5a plus 7b into 5a minus 7b. That is the answer. Next one, x power 4 minus y power 4. X squared whole squared minus y squared whole squared. Listen, now a equal to x squared, b equal to y squared. Now x power 4 minus y power 4 is equal to x squared, a plus b into a minus b. What is a here? X squared minus y squared. Again listen, x squared plus y squared. Here a squared minus b squared form it again. So that is x equal to a, y equal to b. That is x plus a into x plus y into x minus y. That is the answer. 12th sum, factorize the following using suitable identity. Listen, x squared minus 8x plus 16. Here x squared, how will you write that? X squared minus 8x plus 16, how will you write that? 4 squared. So a equal to x, b equal to 4. A squared, here b squared, that is 4. Okay, no? So how will you that write that? X squared, we can write this one like that, x squared minus 2 into x into 4, 2ab plus b squared, that is 4 squared. Listen here, 2 into x a squared minus 2ab plus b squared in this format. So it is a minus b whole square form. So x minus 4 whole square is equal to, how will you expand that? X minus 4 into x minus 4. That is the answer. This one here, first write down y squared minus 20y plus 100. How can you square that? That is 10 squared. Here a equal to y and b equal to 10, right? A equal to y and b equal to 10. So how can you write that? Y squared into 2 into y into 10, 2ab, 2 into 10, 20y plus 10 squared. Now listen here, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared again. So it is in the form a minus b whole squared. So how will you write that? Y minus 10 whole squared. How will you expand that? Y minus 10 into y minus 10. That is the answer. Listen, 36m squared plus 60m plus 25. 36, what is the squared number? That is 36. Square root of 36, that is 6. 6m whole squared plus 60m plus here 5 squared. Now a equal to what? 6m and b equal to 5. How will you write that? 6m whole squared plus 2 into 6m into 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 6, 60, right? Plus 5 squared. It is in the form a plus b whole squared. So how can we write? 6m plus 5 the whole square. How will you expand that? 6m plus 5 into 6m plus 5. That is the factors. Okay, now next one. Next one, 64x squared minus 112xy plus 49y squared. This one 64. What is the square root? That is 8. 8x squared, 8x whole squared minus 112xy plus 49, that is 7 squared. Okay, so 7y whole squared. Now what is a and b? A equal to 8x, b equal to 7y. How can we write? 8x whole square minus 2 into 8x into 7y plus 7y the whole square. Check that. 2 into 8, 16, 16 7s are 112. X into y, xy. Okay, now it is in the form a plus b whole square format. Now which one is a? 8x plus 7y. Sorry, a minus b. 8x minus 7y whole square, that is 8x minus 7y into 8x minus 7y. That is the factors. Fifth subdivision, a square plus 6ab plus 9b square. First take this one, a square plus 6ab plus 9b square. How will you write that? A square plus 6ab plus 9b square, that is 3b whole square minus c square is there. Next, here a equal to a, b equal to 3b. Now a squared plus 2 into a into 3b, 2 3s are 6, a into b, ab. Okay, now plus 3b whole square minus c square. This factors, its factors is, it is in the form a plus b whole square. No? So that is a plus 3b whole square minus c square. Now listen, it is fully taken as a squared minus b squared. Here a equal to a plus 3b and b equal to c. How will you factorize that? A plus b into a minus b, that is a plus 3b plus c and a plus 3b minus c. A plus b into a minus b. Now remove the bracket. A plus 3b plus c into a plus 3b minus c. That is the factors for this one. This is the answer. Here exercise 3.1 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.